nakatitig sa wala. Malayo ang tingin, yun na ang luha sa lamig ng hangin.
Hi! Ayun. Hello guys, ngayon po naka-Clark Air Base Museum po tayo at ang nasa likod ko po ay F-5A Jet Fighter. Ito po ang kanyang vision sa akin po. In August 1965, this needle-nose jet, which was popularly called Freedom Fighter, arrived in the Philippines and was assigned to the 5th Fighter Wing in Basa Air Base, Pampanga. This aircraft was also used by the Blue Diamonds in aerial demonstrations during significant national AFP and PAF celebrations. Wala ka dyan! Wala ka dyan! Wala ka dyan! Ayun na!